So this was basically today's review of today's trade, right? So basically, this was market structure here. You had, all of this. Yeah, that's how I was taken out, by this move here. And I had, this range as my swing. So you could see here the premium discount, tool in here. And the expectation was, of course, if CPI comes across or comes along, it will push down. And yeah, that was it. So, but on the 15 minutes, there was, there was some sort of structure. So you can see on the 15 minutes by morning today, this was Asia high. There was a liquidity sweep that formed the sweep zone. And the market, sort of broke, through Asia's low and then created this minor pullback and then continued downwards and eventually returned and this area 7 is inducement to come into the sweep zone and then a sweet 1 to 5 there opportunity. As you can see, that trade was taken around here. So here you have that. So you can see here, came into the sweep zone and then a rejection of this demand zone and the flip, from demand to supply. So demand to supply flip and then an entry here and then a 1 to 5. You can see that there. After that, that was enough to now anticipate CPI. So CPI came along. You can see a very large move. So just before the news came out, there was some sort of either manipulation or whatever you might call that anyways, but the market reacted right before the news, the CPI news came out, which is highly unusual. So around just about 2 minutes to 2:30 p.m. here, the price as CTC plus 1, the price spiked up and then by 229 it's coming down and the CPI came out. You can see just a smooth, just downward, move and then mitigated this demand zone here and then reversed, formed the 1 hour structure here. And then I was anticipating that if this comes down, we're going to have this maybe an opportunity to enter. However, it happened, but I didn't enter. And you can see here, this was a nice flip zone. Price came in, tapped, my entry, and then has continued to move upwards. My initial, stop was around 1 to 10. So hopefully it gets to that, but at least it made 1 to 5, which is my standard anyways. But that's it. So that's, the review for CPI today.